Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select connected device. You can see here there's an option for storage share. Okay, just open the storage share. Then you can see here there is a there's a text. You can simply turn on this feature from here, and if you turn on this feature, you can simply access your Galaxy phones, multimedia files, and other files from your Samsung TV or Samsung Galaxy notebook, any other Samsung device which is logged the same Samsung account. So you can simply access this feature from multiple devices. Okay, so that's a feature from Samsung Storage Share. Okay, it's a very useful feature. You can simply access your movies, videos from your Galaxy TV. So that's guys. Okay guys, this is a very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.